To love the 2018 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, front stabilizer bar, power brakes. Come see the car for yourself.